So today we will be doing washing the bike, and we will be washing everything outside.
Everything?
Yeah.
I don't know if I'm ready for that.
And this rains.
Sounds like a whole lot more work than I bargained for.
Yeah. Well, my little sister really wanted to help, but yeah. So if you forget, you can. Do you want to see my little sister? Comment down.
Comment down below.
Comment down below, everybody. So it is my little sister's birthday.
How old is she?
And Rosie. She just turned. How old are you? Can you start the camera? How old are you? Say how old you are. She just turned 3. So she's a very cute toddler. And
Is
she
she?
got her new outfit yesterday.
She's not a troublemaker like her older sister?
Stop that. Yeah, my dad's pretty horrible.
Oh, thanks.
But he's
Who's this little guy?
What is that again?
Baby Yoda.
It's Baby Yoda. And I just
What's Baby Yoda from? What movie?
Star Wars.
Good girl.
And you see how we have a bird feeder? See?
Right there.
Yeah. And well, just so you know, my name is Scarlett.
Nice to meet you, Scarlett. Oh wait, no, I know you.
Yeah.
You're the one that hasn't cleaned her room.
He's crazy. I had to do one of my school things and doing an elephant. Mine had a bow, but Dad had a mustache like him. Yes.
Whose mustache was better, the elephant's or your dad's?
The elephant.
Oh, how dare you.
Yeah.
I'm hurt.
A black mustache. Yeah. What will we call our video?
What do you want to call it?
Let's call it the outside play care. Who do you want to be in?
Well, I can only shoot in one direction. Show us what you're doing.
I am washing my bike
How come?
because I don't want it to get stained. Do you want to know why, everybody?
Why?
Because if you leave your bike dirty, it could get stained. Right,
Yeah,
Dad?
right. They can rust.
So you have to wash, that's why. You always have to wash your stuff. And then it will last longer.
What tools are you using to wash
I
the
am
bike?
using these. This is really cool because if you throw it, this happens. It makes a cool splash. And me and my mom is gonna come home soon. So me and my dad are filming. Say hello, Dad.
Hello, Dad. So is that a spooky ghost on the sign right there?
Yeah, my dad's on it.
Let's see. Ready?
Yeah.
Ooh,
Hey, everybody.
so scary.
Everybody. So just
It glows at nighttime, solar powered.
everybody. So you know, my dad's crazy. So yeah. So bye everybody. I'll see you soon.
Bye.